Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix your account is fortune problem on Telegram. See, this is problem. Okay, let's fix it. Follow my all steps and don't skipping the video, guys. Click on your Chrome browser. Search Telegram support. Click on support. Fill up this form step by step. 1. Your problem. 2. Your full legal name. 3. Email address. 4. Phone number. 5. Click verify and submit. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.